This is Megavashni Saravanan making you this video, and in this video we are going to see about head orientation. And before entering into the session, I have to give you a little secret or a small tip to you guys, that is how to pick your fave subject. See, the subject on which you give much attention turns to be your favorite subject. So in addition to favorite subject, you should also add up your other subjects, that is which you show less interest, and you can create your interest by some means, that is though you are not completely thorough, or though you don't pay much attention to a particular subject, you just have a glance about it, and this is the thing which make you to get attracted to the subject, and you can also excel in that subject also. So all subjects will be in your hands. So with this secret tip, I would like to enter into the session. So the apart from this video, you can also get some study materials from the blog which is posted, which I'll give you the description link, and you can go to the link and you can read the material. And at last, the questions is also raised, so it will be very useful to you. After seeing this video, just read the material, so it will be very easy peasy to understand. And after understanding, just test yourself, test your understanding with the questions. Okay, so this video is all about the head orientation, that is how the head of the insects is attached to its body parts. Okay, so we have three head orientations. They are prognanthus, hypognanthus, and opisthognanthus. See, the common term here is that gnanthus refers to jaw. Gnanthus refers to jaw. Even the other term called maxillary also represents the jaw. Okay, so Prognanthus. Pro. The term pro refers to primitive. Gnanthus jaw. Primitive jaw. The head is attached to the body, that is the body part, at an angle of 180 degree. That is as a semicircle. A complete circle would have 360 degree, right? So 360 by 2, 180. So in an angle of 180 degree, that is in a form of semicircle. Okay. So the example for prognanthus is that tiger beetle. Of course, we know that beetle come under the order of Coleoptera. So this prognanthus type of head orientation is also called as coleopteroid type. Coleopteroid type. And represents the ear, represents primitive, and infrontum. Infront is that the head is attached in front of the body, that is continuation to the body, but it is attached in front. So it marks up an angle of 180 degree. And while moving to hypognanthus mouth parts, so hypognanthus mouth parts is very common in cockroach, grasshopper, praying mantis, etc. Moreover, the chewing type of insects would have such head orientation. Okay, so the example for hypognanthus is that cockroach, grasshopper, and praying mantis. It is called orthopteroid type. I think we might have learnt in our 11th physics that the angle which marks up 90 degrees also called as ortho angle. So here ortho represents the 90 degree, that is perpendicular. The head is triangular in shape and it is perpendicular to the body, facing downward. So the head marks up an angle of 90 degree with the body, rest of the body. Okay, so this is called as hypognanthus or orthopteroid type. Ortho represents the perpendicular, that is 90 degree. Okay, so examples I have told you already, and hypo means below, gnanthus is usually like a jaw. Okay, and opisthognanthus. Opisthognanthus is I think this is a new term, but it is an interesting term to learn. Opisthognanthus. Example for opisthognanthus is plant bug. Example is that plant bug. So see, something which you read newly or exceptionally turns to be your question in your question paper, not only in your common question paper but also in your competitive exams, right? We all read, we all skim and scan or study materials or mobile phones and so on, but only those who pinpoint and read the exceptional and unique words and terms turn to be the winners. Okay, so it is highly important to read to the new term and have an outline about it. We don't want to memorize each and every word, each and every sentence of a book. We should know just the uh, actual raw part of our subject. Okay, so opisthognanthus would have an head the deflexed head. Deflexed, that it would have mark up some angle with the rest of the body. Okay, it marks an angle of 45 degree with the body. See, just observe the diagram and you can get easily. So the head is pulled into, that is, it is deflexed, and it makes up an angle of 45 degree, and it is slanted. Okay, opisthognanthus plant bugs would have such a type of head orientation. As I represent the term bug, bugs represent the order Heteroptera, right? So it is also called as heteropteroid type of head orientation. And ophisto means behind, pro means in front, hypo means below, ophisto means behind, and gnanthus is jaw, so it is a common term, right? So all these three represent the head orientation, that is prognanthus, hypognanthus, and ophistognanthus. So we should know and be thorough with the examples. Okay, so for prognanthus we have tiger beetle, click beetle, so it is also called as coleopteroid type. And for hypognanthus, it is also called as orthopteroid type. Examples is that cockroach, grasshopper, praying mantids, and etc. And last is that opisthognanthus, it is also called as hemipteroid type. Example is that plant bug. So this is the end of this video. So in this video we have learnt about the head orientation and a smart and a tactical tip how to manage with your unfavored subject. So hope this you would try and go to the blog and read and attend the questions. So always stay tuned guys, always be energetic and positive. Thank you for watching my video, always be stay tuned.